Hi guys, I'm Jimmy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make delicious strawberry shortcake slices. This is an easy recipe that'll impress your friends and family. So let's dive right in. First up, the ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of cold unsalted butter, 1 large egg, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course, 2 cups of fresh strawberries. Got all that? Great! Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, in a large bowl, mix together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Next, cut in the cold butter until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg, milk, and vanilla extract. Pour this wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now, gently fold in your fresh strawberries. Pour the batter into a greased 8x 8-inch baking dish and spread it evenly. Pop it into the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While it's baking, let's make a quick strawberry glaze. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of strawberries, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the strawberries break down and the mixture thickens. This should take about 10 minutes. Let it cool slightly. Once your shortcake is out of the oven and cooled, pour the strawberry glaze over the top, slice it up, and you're done. These strawberry shortcake slices are perfect for any occasion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time. Enjoy your delicious strawberry shortcake.